This book is being read to you with permission from the Quirkles creators, Terri Johnson and Sherry Cook. Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Holland Reads, the Quirkles series. And today's book is all about Ellie Electricity. This, of course, is written by Terri Johnson and Sherry Cook. Are you guys ready to read this book? Let's get into it.
In a galaxy far, far away named Quirk, there lived the Quirkles. The Quirkles were unique little scientists who had vivid imaginations and loved to experiment. One day, the king of Quirk called them together and asked them to travel to a new land called Boarsville to share their discoveries with the creatures that lived there. The creatures of Boarsville needed help. They lacked imagination and knowledge. Off the Quirkles went. The creatures were so excited with their 26 new friends, they changed the name of their land to Quirksville to honor them. And thus began many new adventures for the Quirkles and their friends.
Ellie Electricity is the most enthusiastic of all the Quirkles. She has an enormous amount of energy because she does her exercises daily. Ellie Electricity spends most of her time at the Quirksville Elementary School educating all her friends about electricity. Ellie is an expert on electricity and how it works. One spring day, Ellie Electricity received a phone call from her friend, Effie Elf.
Ellie, come to my house at the edge of town. I have an emergency. I need help,
exclaimed Effie Elf. Ellie Electricity excitedly jumped into her electric car and drove past 11 exits before reaching Effie's house at the edge of town. Ellie was worried something was extremely wrong. She did not know what to expect. When Ellie entered Effie Elf's house, she was especially surprised. Effie Elf was having a hair emergency. Effie explained,
I have an elaborate event I must attend, and my hair is standing on end. I have on my most elegant wool sweater, but my hair looks eerie. I'm so embarrassed. What can I do?
Ellie Electricity was empathetic to Effie's episode. I can help you, Effie. I know what we can do to make your hair look excellent. You have an extreme case of static electricity in your hair.
I don't want static electricity, exploded Effie Elf. Why do I have this on the night of my big event?
Ellie Electricity explained to Effie about electricity. A long time ago, a man named Benjamin Franklin discovered electricity could have a positive or negative charge. Objects with opposite charges attract each other, and objects will repel if they have the same charge. When you pull your wool sweater over your head, electrons move from your hair to the sweater. Then every hair had the same positive charge. The hairs try to move as far away from each other as possible by standing on end. Now Effie Elf understood about static electricity. She decided not to wear the wool sweater. Instead, she wore an expensive, elegant gown not made of wool. Effie Elf looked exquisite in her evening dress. Her hair was not standing on end. Effie Elf was ecstatic.
Oh, Ellie, I'm so happy that you were able to help me. Will you go to the event with me? I would love to have a friend come along.
Together, Ellie Electricity and Effie Elf entered the event on Elk Street. They were both extremely happy. They knew they were going to have an excellent time as they ate and shared stories with their friends. The end. Hey, wait, we're not done yet. Turn the page and follow me. There's still much more for you to see. Ellie's Electricity's jumping paper. What makes the paper move? I don't know. I'll have to try that out. Ellie Electricity's wild hair. Is this guaranteed to make your hair stand on end? Well, probably not my hair. But let's check out the video and see what kind of experiment we're going to see today. Until next time, see you guys later. If you enjoyed this book and want to see more of the experiments that went along with this story, click this video right here and it will take you to the Quirkles YouTube page where you can see their experiment that they did about this book. See y'all later. Bye, everyone.